If you've noticed your dog constantly scratching, biting their paws, or developing red, flaky skin, it could be a sign of a skin allergy. Many pet parents panic when their dog shows these symptoms, but the good news is, help might be closer than you think. Today, we're talking about vet-backed home remedies for dog skin allergies. Simple, safe, and effective ways to provide your furry friends some much-needed relief. Now, before we get into it, let's remember any home remedy should be guided by your vet's advice. That's because skin allergies can have various causes, from food to environmental triggers to even fleas. But for many mild and moderate cases, and then the door opened, some remedies right from your kitchen or garden can help soothe irritation and heal damaged skin naturally. One of the safest and most soothing natural remedies for dog skin allergies is the oatmeal bath. Oatmeal contains compounds called avenanthramides and beta-glucans, which have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds help reduce redness, calm irritation, and relieve the constant itch that makes dogs scratch, lick, or chew their skin raw. When your dog is suffering from dry, itchy, or allergic skin, a bath with colloidal oatmeal, which is simply finely ground oats, can provide immediate comfort. The oatmeal forms a protective film over the skin, locks in moisture, and balances the skin's natural pH, which may be disrupted by allergies or external irritants. Coconut oil has become a go-to natural remedy for dog skin allergies due to its powerful inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Packed with lauric acid, coconut oil helps combat microbes that can worsen allergic skin conditions, such as yeast infections or bacterial overgrowth. When gently massaged into your dog's irritated skin or dry patches, it deeply moisturizes and forms a protective barrier, promoting healing and preventing further irritation from scratching. It's especially helpful for conditions like eczema, fleal allergy dermatitis, or contact allergies that cause flakiness and redness. Its soothing texture also immediate relief from itchiness, helping reduce your dog's constant licking or chewing. For best results, use virgin, cold-pressed coconut oil and apply a small amount directly to problem areas once or twice a day. You can also add a tiny bit to your dog's food, only if your vet approves, which may improve skin and coat health from the inside out. Just be cautious not to overuse it. Too much can make your dog's coat greasy or even lead to digestive issues if ingested in large quantities. Always monitor your pet for any sensitivity, but when used responsibly, coconut oil is a safe, natural, and vet-approved way to relieve your dew. Apple cider vinegar (ACV) is a time-tested natural remedy that offers powerful antibacterial and antifungal benefits, making it particularly useful for treating mild skin infections, hotspots, and yeast-related itching in dogs. Many skin allergies in dogs are worsened by bacteria or yeast that thrive in moist, irritated areas, especially in the paws, armpits, and folds of the skin. A diluted solution of ACV in water, usually 11:1 ration, can be gently sprayed onto the affected areas to disinfect the skin, restore its natural acidity, and reduce itchiness. The acidity of vinegar helps kill harmful microorganisms while also creating a hostile environment for further bacterial or fungal growth. This remedy is especially effective for dogs who constantly lick their paws, have a sour, musty smell from yeast overgrowth. However, it's extremely important to never apply ACV to raw, open wounds or broken skin, as it can sting and worsen the discomfort. Before full application, always test the solution on a small patch of skin to ensure your dog doesn't have a sensitivity to it. For dogs prone to recurring yeast infections or skin allergies, regularly cleaning paws or spraying diluted ACV onto the coat after walks, especially during allergy seasons, can serve as a gentle, preventive treatment. Just be sure to avoid the eyes and sensitive areas. While ACV is not a cure-all, when used correctly and under a vet's guidance, it can be an effective, affordable, and in the door come a free way to relieve minor skin issues at home. Apple cider vinegar (ACV) has long been praised not only in human medicine but also in holistic veterinary care as a natural, affordable solution for managing mild skin allergies and infections in dogs. Its effectiveness comes from its acidic acid content, which helps balance the skin's pH and creates an unfriendly environment for bacteria, yeast, and certain parasites to thrive. Many dogs with chronic itching, particularly in moist areas like the paws, ears, groin, or underarms, are suffering not just from allergies but from secondary yeast or bacterial infections. When these microbes multiply due to broken skin, scratching, or trapped moisture, the irritation worsens. This is where apple cider vinegar can help significantly. To prepare the remedy, mix equal parts of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and clean water 11:1 ratio and pour it into a spray bottle. Lightly mist the affected areas, focusing on spots where your dog is licking, chewing, or scratching excessively. It can also be applied using a soft cotton pad for more delicate areas. With consistent use, typically once or twice a day, you may notice a reduction in odor, inflammation, and the red, flaky patches caused by microbial buildup. ACV is especially effective for dogs who suffer from yeast infections on their paws, often seen as constant paw licking, darkened skin, or a sour bread-like smell. However, it's extremely important to never use apple cider vinegar on open wounds, cuts, or severely inflamed skin, as the acid will cause intense stinging and can make the situation worse. Always do a spot test before full application and observe how your dog reacts in the hours following use. If any increased redness or discomfort occurs, discontinue immediately and consult your vet. You can also add a small amount of ACV to your dog's bathwater or use it to rinse paws after walks during allergy season to prevent environmental allergens from building up. Some pet owners even use diluted ACV as a cleaning agent for bedding or collars, helping eliminate allergens and bacteria in the dog's environment. While not a replacement for veterinary care in more serious or chronic cases, apple cider vinegar, when used properly and consistently, offers a gentle, chemical-free, vet-recommended way to relieve minor skin irritations, control infection, and maintain healthy skin hygiene for allergy-prone dogs. It's a small step that can make a big difference in your dog's comfort and overall well-being. When it comes to treating skin allergies in dogs, what you put inside their body can be just as important as what you apply on their skin, and that's where omega-3 fatty acids come in. These essential fats, especially EPA docosahexaenoic acid and DHA docosahexaenoic acid, have strong anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the intensity of allergic reactions in dogs by calming the immune system. Skin allergies, whether caused by food, fleas, or environmental triggers like pollen and dust, often lead to chronic inflammation. This results in symptoms like constant itching, redness, dry patches, hair loss, and even secondary infections. Supplementing your dog's diet with omega-3 fatty acids can dramatically improve skin hydration, reduce flakiness, and support a glossy, healthy coat over time. One of the best sources of omega-3s is fish oil, typically derived from salmon, sardines, or anchovies. These oils are easy to add to your dog's food as a liquid supplement or in capsule form. Some high-quality dog foods also contain omega-3s, but during an allergy flare-up, your dog may need an extra boost. Studies have shown that regular use of omega-3 fatty acids can help reduce the dosage of other medications like steroids or antihistamines, making it a more natural and long-term solution to allergy control. However, it's essential to use vet-approved supplements and the right dosage for your dog's size and weight, as too much oil can lead to digestive upset or unnecessary calorie intake. Besides fish oil, other omega-rich sources include flaxseed oil, chia seeds, and krill oil, and though these may not be as potent EPO-DHA as marine oils, some pet parents also choose specialized skin support chews or fortified treats that contain a blend of omega-3s along with vitamins like E and zinc, which further support skin repair and immune health. The key to success with omega-3s is consistency and patience. It may take a few weeks to see noticeable improvement, but the long-term benefits are often worth the wait. When combined with other treatments like oatmeal baths, coconut oil applications, and allergen control, omega-3 fatty acids provide a holistic, inside-out approach to treating dog skin allergies. One that supports not only healthier skin but overall wellness and vitality. In conclusion, dealing with your dog's skin allergies can be frustrating, not just for them, but for you as a caring pet parent. But the good news is, relief doesn't always require expensive medications or stressful vet visits. With simple, vet-approved home remedies like soothing oatmeal baths, nourishing coconut oil, antifungal apple cider vinegar sprays, and omega-3 fatty acid supplements, you can provide real comfort and healing right from your home. Just remember, every dog is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. Always consult with your vet before starting any treatment, especially if symptoms persist or worsen. But with consistent care, attention, and love, you can help your furry friend live itch-free and healthy. After all, a comfortable dog is a joyful dog, and they deserve nothing less. Managing your dog's skin allergies may seem overwhelming at first, especially when you see your beloved companion constantly scratching, biting, or suffering in silence. But the truth is, you're not powerless, and you don't always need harsh medications to provide relief. With a little knowledge, patience, and the right approach, you can make a significant difference in your dog's comfort using gentle, natural vet-approved home remedies. Whether it's the calming effects of an oatmeal bath, the healing and protective qualities of coconut oil, the antifungal power of the apple cider vinegar, or the internal support offered by omega-3 fatty acids, each remedy brings its own unique benefits. Used together, and under your vet's guidance, these tools can form a powerful, safe, and affordable care routine that not only solves current symptoms but helps prevent future flare-ups. However, it's important to remember that while these remedies are highly effective for mild to moderate skin allergies, persistent or severe conditions may indicate deeper health issues. Allergies can be caused by food sensitivities, environmental triggers like pollen or dust, flea bites, or even autoimmune disorders. That's why observing your dog's behavior, identifying triggers, and communicating with your vet regularly should always be part of the process. Also, keep your dog's environment clean, use hypoallergenic products, and provide a nutritious diet that supports immune and skin health. At the heart of it all is this: your dog depends on you. They can't speak, but their discomfort is real, and they show it through scratching, licking, whining, or even depression. By taking a proactive, informed approach and blending natural care with professional guidance, you can give your dog the relief they desperately need. The joy of seeing your furry friend relaxed, playful, and itch-free again is one of the most rewarding parts of pet parenthood. So don't lose hope. Healing takes time, but with love, consistency, and care, your dog can regain their health and happiness, one step at a time. Your dog can't tell you what hurts, but they trust you to notice when something's wrong and to take action. And when you do, they respond with loyalty, joy, and love that's hard to describe. So don't underestimate the impact of small steps. Even a gentle rinse, a soothing massage, or a drop of fish oil in their meal can bring them closer to a pain-free, itch-free life. In the end, and then the door opened, healing your dog's skin isn't just about treating allergies. It's about restoring their comfort, their spirit, and their happiness. Because a healthy dog is a happy dog, and that's the greatest reward of all.